Do you have the registration? Oh, alright. What do you get? That's up here. I can look it up. Who's that? Yeah.
That's my cousin.
Oh, alright. Where's something the red light? Bowdoin and Geneva.
No, I don't run red.
The one Bowdoin and Geneva, not this one, the one before it.
No, I didn't run red light.
Yeah, because you came, Geneva had the green and you came straight through across on the red.
No, it wasn't red.
We were coming up and that's why we ended up stopping. We were coming up the other side.
It wasn't red.
It was solid red.
No, I swear, I wouldn't do that.
Okay, hang tight.
Alright.
What's up, man?
I'm fine.
How you doing? Huh?
I said I'm fine.
Yeah?
Man, you're not giving your buddy in the back any space.
It's okay.
No, you know I'm tall.
It's a sexy girl in front, so it's
You know I'm
okay.
tall.
But his legs are
It's
like
so-
right on the seat.
I'm too sexy for that. He don't want to ask for more space because I'm too good looking.
Oh, it's cool. It's all right.
Where you guys coming from?
A barber shop.
The barber shop?
Yeah, we was just chilling there.
Yeah,
So
hanging
going
out?
home now, yeah. Going
Nice.
home now. I'm telling you I'm fine. I got a cousin's boss and police as well.
Yeah?
See,
You got anything you want to ask me?
Kerosene.
No,
You
Neil.
want to give me your name too?
Neil.
G.
D?
Everton
I
Gilzine.
might go on D.
My night's going
What's his name?
great. I took a night off
Everton
from work.
Gilzine.
Yeah?
I'm
What
a
shift does he
dispatcher
work?
at Encore,
This shift.
He works
so I took
last
my night
half?
off
Yeah.
to
11
enjoy
to
a little
7.
festivities of the
I need to get
weekend.
the good discounts tonight.
Where you work out of
You feel
B2?
me?
Beach Street.
Those rules are
No, we
amazing.
work out
They
of
sure the
B2.
fuck are.
We work out of B2.
Oh, yeah, so you see, body lied to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he's
Gotta
been on
check
longer
in
than
with
me,
my
so you
fire
might know.
detail for the night. You feel
Yeah.
me? So that's it.
Because he told me you know him.
Yeah, he probably does.
You gotta pick up for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just chilling for the night, you know? It's a
You gotta
special
pick
night,
up for him.
so we just hanging out, you know?
What's the special occasion?
Ain't come from
No,
nothing
I'm
crazy
going
or
home
nothing
now.
like that. You feel me?
But I can't believe it's a running red light. No, I didn't run in a red
We
light.
didn't run any red light.
No, I wouldn't do that.
No?
No.
Well, everybody says that.
No, I swear.
No,
Yeah.
Alright.
for real.
I'm from Jamaica, but I was in the military in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So certain laws, I'm not gonna break it.
Oh, okay.
No, it's my phone. Gary Whynter.
That's you?
Yeah,
Let me see.
that's me. Yo, yeah, I'm gonna get pulled over. I said, well, yeah, but I'm gonna get pulled over. I'm not dealing with police. I'm call back. Alright. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Alright. This is what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah, I know him.
Oh, you graduate with him?
No. I graduated maybe the class before him.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
Nice.
The reason why I can't do it, I'm not a citizen yet, so I have to wait my turn.
Yeah?
That's what I want to do as well.
Really?
I recently came here. Like maybe 3 years, so can't get present.
3 years ago. That jacket must be comfy.
Yes, thank you.
It looks comfy. Who's this? It's not a friend?
That's who?
Oh, I thought it was like a friend of yours or something.
No.
You pulled us over on the way to where we was.
No, okay.
No.
Alright, you gotta make sure you stop at those red lights, alright? You had the solid red.
Hold on, Ryan.
Where you guys going to right now? You going home? Give me 1 second, hold on. Hang on 1 second. Go to the passenger side. Look at his head.
You guys don't go crazy in the car, is it?
No. I was just talking to your friend right here.
Literally, and then now you come shining the light too.
Yeah.
I was just talking to him.
Alright, you guys, there's nothing crazy or anything?
No, absolutely not.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't.
It looks like this.
Then pull him out.
Yeah.
Hey, you might just hop out for me real quick? Just hop out for me, alright?
Just hop out. Hop out.
Hop out.
Hop out of the car.
Alright.
It's in park, it's in park.
It's in park. Don't.
Don't move.
Alright?
Don't move.
Don't. Already saw it. Already saw it. Already saw it.
Bravo K2.
We're on the traffic stop.
We are? Sir, can you let the Bravo PS and Bravo detectives know we got a firearm recovered?
Bravo 805, where's that? Sir, you're K2, you're over at 13 Harvard Street.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I need cups.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
We're just gonna place everybody in custody.
Here.
Alright.
805, I'm sorry, where's that? 13 Harvard Street on the 3 side. Okay, can one of those guys call my phone, please? We got 3 in the car, we need to get 1 more car. Yep, 15 and 16, Kiat over there, 13 Harvard Street.
K2,
Okay, so we're at the intersection of Washington and Harvard. You will see us right away.
Just stay right here, okay?
Ryan, do you want to just stand back here? I don't want to.
Can we
Can we also get a code 28?
Man.
I got 28 that can head over to 13 Harvard Street.
Unless I'm able to check your phone.
You are able to check everything. I can show you everything.
Yeah, if you can show me everything.
Yep,
that'll be
my lip gloss, my charger, and a little bit of that's it.
Charlie 435, I can head him for the code 28.
Very good.
Sorry, thank you.
And nothing else, right?
No, you want to check my purse too?
You have the right to remain silent. If you choose to speak, anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with the world for questions.
With my headphones there, my passport because my license expired, my lighter for my weed, my lunch right here.
You may answer questions. Wait, let's give up our lights.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You can check whatever you need to check.
Stop anytime.
I have my ID.